Do you ever get tired of feeling like you were just constantly work, work, work and not having any joy in life? Well, so this video is for you, okay? Basically, there is a way to design your life that is different from that. We've all been raised with this idea that we need to be productive, we need to go, we need to do bigger, better, stronger, faster. And it's causing a lot of burnout and a lot of struggle in people's lives. So this skill, basically what you do is you write a piece of paper and you create 3 columns. Okay, and one column at the top you write, I love it. On the other side of the paper you write, I hate it. And then in the middle column you write neutral. And basically what I'm asking you to do is in each column, go through every part of your life, whether it's work, whether it's home, whether it's kids, whether it's hobbies you do, and really break down what do you love about these things. So put those in the I love it category. What do I hate about these things? Put those things in that category. And then things you're kind of neutral about. So for me, I'm a therapist. Things I love is working with people. I love helping people develop insight. I love it when a couple finally is having sex again and they're like excited about that. Those are the things that I would put in my I love it column. Here are things that I put in my I hate it column. Bookkeeping. I hate progress notes, writing the progress notes. And you're basically breaking down everything like that. Like this, and neutral is, actually I don't mind writing the ideas for these videos. Those are kind of fun. So that's somewhere in the middle of like neutral, I need to do it, but I don't feel like positive or negative. It's not like terrible, but you're breaking it down. And what you're essentially trying to do with these columns is when you look at the I hate it column, what are the things in that column that you can adjust or outsource or shift? Like, do you have to do this as a part of work? So for example, if there may be like for me, for bookkeeping, like there are some things with bookkeeping I really can pay somebody else to do. Or it might be setting some goals over the year for myself, like, okay, maybe I can't financially afford to pay somebody for it now, but what can I do in these columns to have the money to do less of this other thing? And essentially you're trying to get to a point where more of your life is filled with things on the I love it column or in the neutral column, and you're learning ways to either delegate, outsource, or even say no to things in the I hate this category. What if in your life it's, I hate going to Thanksgiving for 4 hours. I can handle 1 hour, but at 4 hours, I wanna like peel my face off. So if that's what you hate, then what you're essentially trying to do with this I hate it column is look very closely at, are these things that I have to do, or am I kind of doing this to myself? Are there things that I'm pushing myself to do? For example, I was watching Facebook, I'm always watching a little bit of Facebook, and I saw these women talk about Elf on the Shelf of like, oh, I hate doing Elf on the Shelf. I'm responsible for Christmas spirit. They don't even enjoy the Elf on the Shelf. So like they had made a conscious decision to not do Elf on the Shelf. Like, I'm not gonna do it. Or some women shifted it so that it's like, you know what, Elf on the Shelf isn't something magical, but it's like a prank we do. So everybody's involved in the Elf on the Shelf. If you have an idea of the aspects of something that you don't like, then you have the ability to change them. But if you just keep living life the same way, then you're gonna keep saying yes to things because you feel obligated or required. Nobody's obligated to do Elf on the Shelf, and your children's life or Christmas is not gonna be less magical because the elf doesn't exist. It's already a magical time. So that's what I'm asking you to consider here, is like really break it down. What are the things in my life that really serve no purpose, or I feel I'm obligated to do because somebody told me to, or I've just been doing it so long I didn't even thought about it. So anyhow, for more tips like this, or to work with me, you can submit a contact form at my website, therapistinstlouis.com, and please like and subscribe for more videos.